Okay.
Okay. Hi guys. So unfortunately it didn't work. All of a sudden the game crashed. All of a sudden. So oh my god. See, look at that. The game literally just crashed because of this ball here. There's loads of contents inside the same place. If I just slowly move around, you'll see that there's a glitch inside the game. But unfortunately, I cannot do the multi-blow. Because look what will just happen. It normally just glitch, but if I add loads, it'll just shut down the whole thing and bounce. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. Right. Okay. Like this. Now look what happens when I start.
Why are you rocking on this chair like this with your weight?
Literally just closes.
Do you want to destroy the chair?
No.
So unfortunately I can't do it, guys. But just tell me inside the description in comment section below. Tell me what you want me to make a video of. Like I can make more videos of Minecraft, Roblox, Minecraft Education, Fortnite, anything, Asplay Airborne, anything, even computing. So just ask me, comment below, and say what you want me to do. Okay? Bye guys, have a nice time, and don't forget, subscribe and ring the bell and smash that like button.